Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Nerz. Nerz. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. What you can now see on my desktop is the status of the files encrypted by this ransomware. Before, there were the pictures of some of my pets, some of my furniture that I make, restoring furniture, but after the ransomware attack, all these files are damaged and encrypted by this Nerz ransomware. As I said before, this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. Some people might think that removing this Nerz extension manually would somehow fix the issue and decrypt the files, but this just doesn't work. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this Nerz ransomware, and it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware instructs the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus program, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start researching the system. The software will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only, but you can always request for the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but dealing with ransomware, we recommend that you upgrade to premium. It will help you to remove this ransomware, to protect your files. Unfortunately, file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner, and it's not possible for any other antivirus. But you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information about this sort of threat and some tips on how to possibly recover your data.